Time to check our work. So we know 100 times 26, we can apply that same strategy we did with our tens. And if 1 times 26 is 26, now we have 2 zeros to place on to figure out 100 times 26 is 2,600. We can use that to help us solve 99 times 26 or figure out 99 groups of 26. So we could take 100 minus 1 group gets us 99. We're taking away one group of 26, so 2,600 minus 26 is 2,574. I want you to think about how efficient it was to use 100 times 26 to help you figure out 99 times 26. Let's take a look at an open array and the equations that might help you track your thinking. So here, this open array is 26 times 100. So 26 times 100 got us a grand total of our 2,600. You'll see the same thing over here. 100 times 26 is 2,600. But if we wanted to solve for 99 times 26, we have to take away one group of 26, or we have to take away 26 from that total. One group of 26 is 26. We're going to subtract 2,600 minus 26 to get us our answer of 2,574. That answer is in the array here, 26 times 99, the blue part that's left after we subtract that 26 is our answer.